47 degrees this hour in Fargo-Moorhead. The Valley Skycam showing we are just past a gorgeous sunset. The wind, well, it's not too bad out there. Today we saw a lot of cloud cover. Took a while for that fog in the FM area to burn off as well. So a gray start to the day. Still gray in Grand Forks, 47 on your thermometer. That wind is from the south at 10 miles per hour. Here's a look across the region. Everyone mild in the eastern third of North Dakota, upper 40s to near 50 in Quinter. But it's a chilly one out for Babe the Blue Ox and his compadre, Paul Bunyan. Yeah, 38 degrees in Bemidji this hour. 45, though, as we look out toward the Park Rapids and Detroit Lakes area. There is some cloud cover still throughout the valley, but out to the west. Take a look at this. Sprinkles of rainfall as we head through our November. That would mean it's kind of a cold November rain. And as we look in really close, if you know where, places like Crosby, the hockey metropolis there in northwest portions of Minnesota, and Noonan are. That's where the sprinkles are. They are racing along the international border. Take a look at this storm system out here in the, North Pacific. That's been swirling there for several days, and we are talking about a late week chance of some unsettled and wintry weather here. It's all going to come from the west, but it hasn't even formed yet. So tough to make any precise details of the forecast too clear because models are still a little bit unsettled on that, but we are watching it closely. Here's what the models say for tonight. This evening, 40s for everyone. South wind continues, and then the raindrops may fall on your head in the Devil's Lake Basin through the Highway 2 corridor as we go through that midnight time frame. So if you are out walking the cat tonight at midnight up in Grand Forks, you may want to bring an umbrella because cats do not like rain. Then as we head toward the morning, that races through portions of northwest Minnesota. We could even see a few drops in Lakes Country as we go through the night, but the good news is it is rain and not wintry snow. So we start our day, temperatures near 40 for almost everyone. A west-northwest wind will be a little gusty tomorrow, so a windier Tuesday in the making. Temperatures still 50 to 60 degrees in southeast North Dakota and northeast North Dakota. We'll see a few upper 40s that extend into northern Minnesota. All in all, a fair day with decreasing winds late. So here's a look at your planner for Fargo-Moorhead. 40s to start the day. Northwest winds gusty at times, with temperatures rising into the upper 50s. 55 in Wahpeton, Breckenridge, and in Jamestown. 47 tomorrow afternoon in Langdon. 50 degrees in Roseau. It looks dry throughout the afternoon hours across the region as well, with upper 50s and mid 50s across Lakes Country. Here's a snapshot of what one computer model says this big winter storm is going to be, where it's going to be, and what kind of weather it may be producing by Friday afternoon. Rain on the warm side of the system. Sleet. Maybe not a lot of freezing rain because the ground is mighty warm, but sleet. And then this is snow. Bands of possibly moderate to heavy snow developing. It will likely accumulate and continue throughout the day on Friday into Friday night. And with isobars this close together, those are way too friendly. We're talking about some gusty winds, maybe some blowing and drifting snow as well. So keep it tuned here. As we get into the late week, we'll give you the fine tuning on that forecast. Craig capturing the supermoon. Boy, was that super. Take a look at your Wednesday forecast. Still mild, way above average. We're talking mid-50s. Thursday, in comes the rain that changes to snow late. And then as we look into the day on Friday, that looks like it could be a flat-out winter storm. We'll give you the details on the timing and location of that. The weekend quieter, but much chillier as well. So
it was good while it lasted. I mean, we still have a couple days.
Get out and enjoy.
That's
and
right.
Make sure you know where your shovel is.
Yes.
Hey, we have a Village Inn spotlight couple to let you know about. It's Barbara and Bernard from Wimbledon, North Dakota. The Sanics are celebrating 50 years of wedded bliss. Way to go, you two.
A fad from last year might be revived this holiday season. That's up next.